Want to know how to uninstall Raid Saddle Legends? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your Raid Saddle Legends game and you can just simply directly reinstall it in two ways. So one thing you can do is just simply hold on to the Raid Saddle Legends application, and here you should be seeing this trash can icon. Just simply select it and then select uninstall. This would work both on Android and iPhone as well. So next thing you can do is you can just simply open up your App Store or Play Store. Just simply open it up, and once you open it up, here you should be seeing search, and then just simply search up for Raid Saddle Legends. Here at beside play, you should be seeing uninstall. Just simply select it and then select uninstall right here. So now once I've selected uninstall, your Raid Saddle Legends should be uninstalled automatically. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.